Life is not easy. There is no guarantee. Lot of problems we'll face. So then, we are part of the human society. So no matter what sort of problems, we have the ability to overcome these problems. So self-confidence, optimism is very essential. And to young people also need more patience. The young people sometimes, you see, everything, because of those things you want immediately. When you face some hindrance or some obstacle, then you demoralize. So there is Tibetan saying, 9-time failure, 9-time effort. So that's important. Please keep your mind